Question 5. The inverse function G inverse is defined by this, where x is not k. State the value of k. Alright, so this is called the condition at which the denominator cannot be 0. So if x is k, the denominator will become 0. If denominator 0 means the whole function is undefined. So what we can say is 2 minus x cannot be 0. So making x the subject, negative x we bring there become positive . So x cannot be 2. So if x cannot be 2 and they say x cannot be k, that means k is 2. Okay, the k they are referring to is 2. So when x is 2, if you put 2 inside here, 2 minus 2 will become 0. And if denominator is 0, whole function becomes undefined. Therefore, the condition. So they say this function exists, but x cannot be 2 . Okay, that is the value of k. Right, B. Find g1/2. Okay, let's first find gx. Okay. To find gx, the steps are like this. We let gx equals to y. And then g we bring there becomes g inverse y. So g inverse y equals to x. We know g inverse x is 2 minus x. So g inverse y will be 2 minus y. 4/2 minus y. Then you want to make y the subject, so this whole thing we swap. So 4/x is 2 minus y. Then to make y the subject, we bring this here, bring the x there. So y will be 2 minus 4/x. And our y is our gx. So this one also got condition. The denominator cannot be 0, so x cannot be 0. Okay, but this is not so important because they are asking us to find g1/2. You just find g1/2 . So no need this part. So g1/2, if gx is 4/x, g1/2 will be 4/1/2. So 2 minus 4/1/2. We put this in our calculator. 2 minus 4 divided by 1/2. Answer is -6. Done.